2026 Lamborghini Revuelto MANSORY is not just a supercar anymore. It's a machine built to shock the entire world. Lamborghini already created one of the craziest hybrid V12 hypercars ever made with the Revuelto. But MANSORY decided that crazy was still not enough. So they completely transformed it into something that looks like it came straight out of a futuristic racing movie. The first thing you notice is the insane carbon fiber bodywork. Every angle of this car feels sharp, aggressive, and almost unreal. The redesigned front bumper looks much lower and wider, while the giant air intakes give the Revuelto an appearance. It feels more like a fighter jet than a road car. Even parked, this machine looks dangerously fast. MANSORY replaced large sections of the original body with exposed forged carbon fiber. The hood, splitter, side skirts, mirrors, roof, rear diffuser, and even aerodynamic vents were redesigned to make the car look more extreme than the standard Lamborghini Revuelto. Some versions even feature fully exposed carbon body panels that completely change the personality of the car. From the side view, the Revuelto MANSORY becomes even more dramatic. Massive forged wheels, ultra-low suspension, widened fenders, and sharp aerodynamic lines make this hypercar look absolutely brutal. It has that rare kind of design that instantly grabs attention, no matter where it appears. But the biggest transformation happens at the rear. MANSORY installed a giant fixed rear wing combined with an aggressive diffuser and redesigned exhaust system. The rear lighting looks futuristic and aggressive, especially at night when the sharp LED lights glow through the darkness. This is the kind of car people stop and record with their phones the second it arrives. And then there's the sound. Even though the Revuelto is now a hybrid hypercar, Lamborghini kept the legendary naturally aspirated V12 alive. That means this machine still screams with one of the most emotional engine sounds in the automotive world. The combination of electric power and high revving V12 performance creates acceleration that feels absolutely violent. Under the hood sits a massive 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 combined with advanced hybrid technology. MANSORY tuned the system to produce over 1,070 horsepower, while some special editions reportedly go even higher. That amount of power launches the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.3 seconds. Think about that for a second. This isn't just fast. This is hypercar-level insanity, capable of embarrassing almost anything on the road. The electric motors provide instant torque while the V12 continues pulling aggressively at higher speeds, creating an experience that feels futuristic and old school at the same time. And despite all that power, Lamborghini's advanced all-wheel drive system helps keep the Revuelto stable during brutal acceleration, whether launching from a stop or attacking high-speed corners. Oh, this car feels engineered for pure adrenaline inside the cabin. The Revuelto MANSORY looks like a luxury spaceship. Carbon fiber covers almost every surface, while premium Alcantara and custom leather stitching create a handcrafted atmosphere. The digital cockpit wraps around the driver with futuristic displays and sharp graphics that make the interior feel years ahead of most supercars. MANSORY also offers almost unlimited customization. Buyers can choose special leather colors, custom carbon finishes, illuminated logos, unique stitching patterns, and personalized trim pieces. No two builds are exactly the same, which makes every MANSORY Revuelto feel exclusive. But here's where things become interesting. Not everyone loves the design. Some supercar fans believe MANSORY pushes Lamborghini styling too far. They say the extra wings, vents, and aggressive carbon details make the car look too wild. Others think this is exactly how a Lamborghini should look. Loud, dramatic, and impossible to ignore. And honestly, that controversy is part of what makes MANSORY famous. They don't build cars for people who want subtle luxury. They build machines for owners who want maximum attention everywhere they go. The Revuelto MANSORY is designed to dominate social media, luxury events, and supercar meets with a presence that few cars can match. What's even crazier is that some exclusive versions are built in extremely limited numbers for wealthy collectors around the world. Certain Dubai spec models feature unique carbon finishes and custom interiors that reportedly cost millions after full customization. This makes the Revuelto MANSORY more than just transportation. It becomes a rare collector piece that combines Italian engineering with extreme aftermarket artistry. And in a world where many supercars are slowly becoming quieter and more electric-focused. Lamborghini is still fighting to keep emotion alive. The screaming V12, the brutal acceleration, and the outrageous styling remind everyone why exotic cars continue to excite people around the world. To the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto, MANSORY proves that the future of hypercars doesn't have to be boring. It can still be loud, emotional, dramatic, and completely insane. Whether you love it or hate it, one thing is certain: nobody can ignore it. So what do you think about the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto MANSORY? Is this the ultimate Lamborghini hypercar? Or did MANSORY go too far with the design? Drop your opinion in the comments below. And if you love insane supercars, futuristic SUVs, luxury vehicles, and crazy automotive builds, make sure to subscribe to ORG New Update and turn on notifications so you never miss the next reveal.